Have you ever received a suspicious email and wondered, what really happens if I click that link? You're not alone. Today, we're going to demystify the entire process, step by step, showing you exactly what goes on behind the scenes when you click on a phishing link. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to understand. It all starts with an email, a text message, or even a direct message on social media. This message is expertly crafted to look legitimate. It might seem to be from your bank, a delivery service, or a popular online store. The goal is to create a sense of urgency or curiosity. Maybe it says your account is locked, you have a package waiting, or you've won a prize. There's almost always a link they want you to click. This is the bait. So, you click the link. What happens next? Immediately, your web browser is redirected. But you're not going to the real website. Instead, you're sent to a fake, look-alike website created by the scammers. This fraudulent site is often a pixel-perfect copy of the real one. The logo, the colors, the layout, everything is designed to fool you into thinking you're in a safe, familiar place. This is where the real trap is set. The fake website will prompt you to enter sensitive information. It could be your username and password, your credit card details, your social security number, or other personal data. Because the site looks so convincing, you might not hesitate to type in your credentials. You think you're logging into your bank account, but you're actually handing over your login details directly to the cybercriminals. Once you hit submit or enter, your information is sent straight to a server controlled by the attackers. They now have your keys. They can use your username and password to log into your real account, change your password to lock you out, and access all your private information. If they have your financial details, they can make unauthorized purchases or even drain your bank account. It's a frighteningly fast process. But wait, it can get worse. Sometimes, clicking the phishing link doesn't take you to a fake website at all. Instead, it triggers an immediate, silent download of malicious software or malware onto your device. This can happen without any further action from you. The link might exploit a vulnerability in your browser or operating system to install the malware in the background. This malware can take many forms. It could be ransomware, which encrypts all your files and demands a payment to get them back. It could be a keylogger, which records every single keystroke you make, capturing all your passwords, messages, and credit card numbers as you type them. Or it might be spyware, which secretly monitors your activity, steals your files, and can even turn on your camera and microphone without you knowing. Your computer essentially becomes a spy in your own home or office. So, let's recap the whole process. First, you receive a deceptive message with a link. Second, you click the link, which takes you to a fake website or initiates a malware download. Third, if it's a fake site, you're tricked into entering your personal information, which is then stolen. Or, if it's a malware link, your device gets infected, compromising your data and privacy. The consequences can be severe: financial loss, identity theft, and a major loss of privacy. Scammers can use your identity to open new credit accounts, take out loans, or commit other crimes in your name. Recovering from this can be a long, stressful, and expensive process. So, how can you protect yourself? First, always be skeptical of unsolicited messages, especially those creating urgency. Second, hover your mouse over a link before clicking to see the actual web address it leads to. If it looks suspicious or doesn't match the sender, don't click it. Third, never enter sensitive information on a site you've reached through an email link. Instead, go directly to the official website by typing the address yourself. Finally, keep your software updated and use reputable security software. Understanding what happens when you click a phishing link is the first and most crucial step in avoiding the trap. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.